Yup.
Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
So flag girl, a mad move. We in a place you know already know. Everybody there, we just set up. Let me go show you what I'm going. Yo, we late. The time later. Stop the music real quick. We have a bartender here. We have a chair them set up. VIP area, streaming, everything. Yo, me I rush to do everything. And we not done. Well, we actually don't know. Now time for you people them forwarding. Everybody out the door. Here they are ready. Big up to here and forward early. That I only big up him and get another vlog. Yeah. You see me? Big up to your bartender. She's here. Hello. Tips are appreciated, guys. Yeah, man, forward. Time for people come in now. People out the door. When you see that parking lot there, that's where everybody is at. You see me? So time. People so forwarding. Go and do it for your vlog. Mad up on yourself.
Contender, how you feeling?
I feel good and I represent Trabass. You get me? So I have to make sure I'm a good feed, dog.
Naturally.
Alright.
How much rounds you think it will go?
But that's a 2 round.
2 rounds?
2 round, I knock him out.
Knock out?
Right up, jab, right up.
Chop, right. Mr. Kingsley, this is your bridge, you know. He has now been thrown into the ring, you know. How you feel about that?
You know, I'm feeling very confident in our fighter. I think his opponent does know what he's about to get into. Ryan gonna fix it out and he might do it. He might deliver. He might do him thing, man.
What round?
First round.
Knockout.
I like.
Beautiful. It's beautiful.
Round 1.
So you feel, bro? How you feel like I go?
Huh? Yeah, right now, you know, my lad. We have all of my money on that YouTube. Right?
All of the money in the world.
Yeah, man.
You know, he's a fellow man then.
I like.
Never lie. Grease him dead grease. Dead boy. Think him take a gal grease. Mash him up. Just like true Jamaicans, them are fighting a slippers. $100 on the grease. $100 on the grease.
So like she have Mish in a real life?
Mish in the realest of life.
In this life right here.
Right here.
So nobody know this man grease.
You know, said the lady said she bet 100, me think said she get 20 from me. You
know, say my salary for the commentary is very tight. So can't really bet right now, you know.
$150 on the grizzle. Wow. That is amazing. Cut. I think he said it's not a joke.
I don't think he's joking, sir.
He's not joking at all.
I don't think he's joking, sir.
I still have all faith in Grizz. Grizz will be here. Well done, Grizz. Well done, Grizz. Grizz will be here. On to them. Grizz will be here. Come on. Grizz will be here. Grizz will be here. Sita, one Grizz will be here. Well done, Grizz. Stay up on your feet, my boss, and continue the way you do. Grizz will be here. One Grizz will be here.
Round 2.
Well done, Grizz. Forward in low. Well done, Grizz. Stay barefoot. Well done, Grizz. Talk to them. You well done, Grizz.
Round 3.
The man pop up the ring to Bumbo Clad.
Final round.
There you go. Breathe. No, we're good. Keep your hands up. Grizz, keep up behind them. Grizz. Yeah, keep up behind them, Grizz.
Alright, in my books, we got green over here.
Bumbo clot. So green, alright. Not more? You know, say nothing more about the fight, you know, was it?
Well, interesting.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of, accurate blows, a lot of head ducking, but nice fight. Give it to him. But Green gave it his all. Black did good job.
Alright, Rika.
The thing is,
Yeah.
put my money on Green from day one.
Yeah.
Because Black was a buckle baby. Green was a breast baby. Alright, Green, my thing there. Green.
Alright, so Tony back.
Green is the winner.
Trabass, you need a familiar fight to ring needs a bigger. You need place to run. Going for the flag.
That is it, my father. See belly. Yeah. I mean, champion. Yeah.
I'm that nigga, you don't know Trabass. One Trabass. Mad move, me I go win. Watch him over there, so.
Pound for pound today, my father.
Pound for pound, Trabass again. Knockout. Pound for pound, when him thump me, I'm thump him. None of that now go on.
Confidence level, buck.
Dead. One.
Alright, which round now? Talk to me now. How long the fight gonna last?
When I want me knock him out.
Why?
Second round. Feel like the people don't want to see game longer, so I'm gonna knock him out third round. So I'm knock him out every round? We can knock him out every round, Eh?
Yeah.
We just revive him with some water. We can knock him out every round. So, which round I say?
Why, I'm not telling a lie, still the crowd out there. We're gonna see what go on.
We'll see what go on.
Yo. Me and your friend after this, though. Eh?
That is swag, brother. That is swag.
That's a swag. Yeah, that way.
Yes, swag.
That's the gun you call Dawg. Yo, man, there we go.
Straight from X-Gang, you understand? One world boss, one Facebook hero. Hero, what you say? That fuck up some boy when they blood clot Trabass. Trabass, you only know about you on YouTube. Trabass, this is the hottest thing you ever do. One from the bumper clot that. One X-Gang. Instagram, Trabass, I do it from YouTube. When I know Trabass, stop!
Them feel a chatting. The rukum. Them feel a chatting.
Round one.
Yeah. Same thing. Yeah, man.
Get some napkin, man. Get some napkin, man.
Round 2. Tell me more, my father. Tell me more. Tell me more, my father. Cheer. That's all. You know say that. You know say that's off already. You know say that's off already, you know. Good round one. It's a good way, you know.
Right now, World Dawg, no. Him never expect that.
Never.
Him never expect that. Him never expect that at all. Right now,
it's like Trabass run up and him ends and knock it.
Have me?
It's a second round.
My blood climb and I go 4 feet.
Man, I meditate.
You want fun?
Now have a fun. But not a fun. Man. Yeah, man, we need a fun, man. Believe no, man. Tell him GX. Tell him GX.
Wait.
Knock it. KO, man, a KO. Yeah, the damage is saying the heart, man. Watch your face. Yo, him towel. Wipe it off. If wipe it off face.
Turn on AC in here. Hold on. How are you doing, man? Yeah. Wow. Look like you're on point. Yeah. One more time, you stuck on hold on for me. Hey, when you have a video, me clip him over this, alright? Alright, cool. No, me ever boxer like a boxer, watch. No, me just want to see how you swing your wild punch.
Get fun. Man, get a fun. When I like about to turn and about to look shaky, you want fun.
Achoo.
Just look shaky, you know. Yeah, man, the boss. Nice.
Round 3.
Clock ready? Yeah, man. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Get to work.
boy, I'm afraid. I'm afraid. This is no. Yeah.
What's up? Yeah.
Oh God. We're gonna find that on that.
Ready? Let's do it. Hands up.
Ready? Set up.
Yeah. Ready? Let's do it. Let's go.
My name not go hard, I'm tired already. Smoke break?
I like.
Smoke break? When you see me almost knock him out there, so see me? Yeah, gone. I know him not getting a solid knockout, you can't lie. Him not getting a clean shot off of me yet, you know. Him not getting a clean shot off of me though. Who said that? Who said that? You said that? Yeah, brother. Him take the last round? Oh, are you running forward? Oh God! Oh God!
Oh, listen. Yo. Yeah, don't drink no cold water, man. In the hot for two, bro, dog. See, this temperature water, man.
What follow the mic? I lie. As you can see, we're over here saying a world lock on and I'm still not there, so. I don't know how I go on. The gloves are on the ground my side. The gloves are on the ground my side. The gloves are on the ground my side.
Alright, what do I have to say? Fear is fear. We don't have to be fear now. Who will win the match? Hold on, we don't have to be fear. Who will win?
Seems like the people is quiet.
Everybody quiet?
Seems like the people is quiet.
Huh? Me are winning, right?
Sounds like the people are quiet, sir.
Hold on, let me ask the crowd. Because over here, I'm seeing people, you know.
I lie.
Who will win so far? Trabass or Hero?
Who say Hero? Who say Hero?
Now when we look around, I say Trabass. Do it for the vlog. Team
I lie.
Trabass.
I'm that.
We're outside. I tell you no.
I lie. Fall back over here on my side. Fall back over here on my side. Fall back over here on my side.
Okay.
You feel it? That's the difference.
Oh, wait.
What is this?
Oh my word.
What do you think we for the go that way?
Come on. Outside my side. Press. Media. What's that gone? Media team. This serious, this one crowd. This serious. It's a road runner. You dig what me say? Yeah, we are chasing a road. It's a road runner we are trying to catch. Forward my side. Yeah. Hey.
Win long time.
Hold on, let me chat to you.
Press.
Yeah, put it right there. So people, catch your PO going. Turn on that real quick, Lolo. Catch your PO going, right? Yeah, pull this up. So, you already know. You want to talk to them? Tell them.
We talk to him, boy. Jesus Christ. My bucket is. Oh God.
It was a good match. It was a good fight.
Jesus Christ.
Why?
Draw much.
It was a good fight. You man, you seen about a beer people in here. You know, get hot too quick.
It's not circulating. They're not on the vent.
But that the fuck me, I say me think of vent in
not work.
So yeah, I say so we can in half please.
People.
You're forfeit.
Yeah. In forfeit. No man, in forfeit till a later date. Here, stop here. No, hold on, I'm the dog. Stop here. So yeah, I say. Yeah man, a part for you go on, But here have to talk. Tell them what go on. You have strength, can't talk? Or you go for me?
I'm going to talk to them, man.
Alright. Give him a 5.
Ooh, oh God, Jesus Christ.
You want a big head split now? Victory.
Oh God.
Hey, remember I done the on the internet already. We have video, you know. Victory. Once the dog got forfeit, I win.
Trabass.
It would have to be a rematch. Me have bronchitis, so you have to say now. Me have bronchitis, so you have to say.
Yo, Trabass, win the match. We match have to go on. It's too hot, I can't breathe.
We're going to do a rematch.
We cannot breathe.
Apart few.
Yeah. So here we go on now. Where's ref there? Where's judge there? Where ref there? Ref. You can't tell the people them far as the match.
Oh, the match. Rico, come on, so you can too.
I see.
Come on, that's what too. They have to talk. You just have to talk. We have to know.
Oh, what the next judge is?
See me right that's beside her.
Okay, all right. No, me not say that ref at the end of the day. At the end of the day, to me, it's a forfeit because Ira left the premises that he couldn't take the heat. You understand? Trabass, you could have deal with the heat at the end of the day. So next time for a rematch, and that's a that. Kind of feel good. Okay. So at the end of the day, what we call it? Trabass win, though. Yeah. Trabass win the match.
Hey, let's stand side to side, man. Let's stand side to side. Come on.
You can't tell me.
Wait. No, you're good. Exception.
No, really there.
All right.
Thank you, sit down.
You can't tell me.
Thank you, sit down.
Oh, God. I got vomit.
You got that one now? Ah, good. So, when you see the free, you know what go on. Victory.
All right.
We're going to have a rematch, though, part few, you see me? Me not lie. Dog fight good, me never expect that. And fear. If him can't breathe, me have to cancel him, you see me? Because me can't breathe there, but me deal with it, see me, you see me? But fear is fear. I can't talk for your next man, him probably feel more pain and, you know, the normal, so, me win. Team Trabass. X! I gotta drink anything for the celebration of him. X! So you go on. We're going with our vibes. Party. Burn some weed. Rika in the building.
That is it.
Be a top man there.
Yeah.
Rika, you drive Hellcat?
No, I don't.
Alright, so forward. We have to big up everybody out there.
Everybody big up on themselves.
Everything done now, so we can go home. I want to go home, I'm tired as fuck. Alright. All the boy deal. Yeah. Not more knockout couple and dreads. Nobody can call him out, you know. Alright, Dale, I'm calling you out. Yes, so nobody can call you out. I want my teeth knocked out. Yeah. Me go train for the boxing match today, Dale. Me I tell you. Dale. Rasta, Dale. Dale. Arsenal, man, Dale. You want to fight him? Let me fight him first. Yeah. A mad move.
For your first official fight.
Yeah.
After World Dawg attack so much, how you feel?
I feel great, you know, but him ball out on technical difficulties, like Duffy Magnum. Him ball out on technical difficulties, so we have to forfeit the match. I won, as you could see.
Quick question.
Yes.
So when him run up on the ends and try knock it, how you respond to that?
And knock it.
Yeah.
Fully.
Yeah.
All him girl him over there. Them have a picture him go over there.
Switch side. Yeah. Talk to about the fight now. Oh, go on.
Trabass lose.
What you say?
Trabass lose.
Trabass lose? Why you say him lose?
At least, me done the match, you know.
Yeah.
I breathing. Trabass win the first knocking.
Knock.
After that, I win the first, I knock them.
Yeah, knock them on. So when they left the ring, why you never fought back?
I can't breathe.
Asthma?
No. Can't breathe. Can't breathe.
Chest.
You notice when I fight the people them far, they smoke on the weed.
Yeah, and you know I beat enough of that in there, you see me?
So it kinda block up my footprint.
So
that's why I come over and get here like this, because I don't want to vomit in front of some people.
A whole heap of people for real.
You see, you're a fuck, you know?
A whole heap of people, man. A whole heap of people, man.
No, you're a fuck.
A whole heap of people, man.
So, but this what we do, I like it. Yeah. We love it.
Yeah, man.
Look on this plan Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Thursday for your birthday.
So, for my birthday, yeah.
Flyer drop Thursday for chewing. Yeah.
For my birthday.
Them a say it's a part few, how that go?
Yeah, man, I real part few. Bigger ring and bigger everything.
Alright, that is it, my father, all the best.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's the ending of the night. As you could tell, we reach back at the liquor store. We win. You see me? And all I liquor get for sell off, but it's a good turnout. I had fun. Everybody see what you see me? I had fun. Liquor sell, but not everything sell off. So that's why we didn't know if we drop off, we never sell off. And yeah, we are doing it for the vlog. So hope you enjoy this vlog. Victory for me, Team Trabass.
It was all entertainment, so
all entertainment.
No war or anything.
Remember part 2, we have to fight back again. Me and Ira go fight back again, so you can look out for that. You see me? We get a bigger location.
Yo, you see all the first people that I fight?
Yo, the first match you go on? Oh God, no lie, that did entertain it. Yeah. We have somebody else video. Not me, Danny. Yeah. Some vlogging at this though. Me have to go collect the footage from everybody tomorrow. So only give me some time to edit the whole video. I can try to make it longer. You see me? But big up on yourself. It was fun. Savage, big up yourself. Slime, big up yourself. Ricky, big up yourself.
The security them.
The security guard, big up on yourself, and everybody forward out. Sprocket, World Dawg. Me have to tell you, big up me G. You see me, a chopper.
King Dave,
big up for forward out to and ref the match between me and World Dawg. You see me?
And Rika,
oh me forget Rika, big up yourself. Me tired people.
and big up all the YouTuber them too was out.
Oh shit, big up Dawg, me can't remember your name right now. Big up everybody who interview me on them YouTube channel. Yeah, we do YouTube, Caribbean YouTubers. Big up the whole round. I don't remember the Dawg name now. But me and him are going to do a collab. Look out for him.
Appreciate the support. It was very good.
Yeah, so I'm going to look out for part 2 boxing match between me and Ira and more guests. So yeah, do it for your vlog.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.